Whoever wanted to make your own creamy vegan mayo, this is it. Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. Today we are making vegan mayo, okay? Honey, I'm late to this party, okay, when it comes to vegan mayo. I had seen the recipe from this guy named Young something. I can't remember his last name, but I'll put his name in the description, okay? He has some amazing vegan recipes. Oh my goodness, so simple, but looks so delicious, really, really taste. Oh my goodness, his recipes look amazing, okay? But we are making a vegan mayo, okay? And honey, I was buying vegan mayo from Whole Foods for about like $6 or $7, okay? But now you can just make your own vegan mayo, okay? And if you a girl like me, okay, I stay with garbanzo beans, okay? These beans I had got from Whole Foods, and they are so good because instead of them being in a can, they are in a box, okay? And they're already cooked, no salt added or anything like that. So the recipe calls for garbanzo beans, aquafaba, the water of the garbanzo beans, the water that the garbanzo beans is in. Okay, that's the aquafaba, and that's what we're gonna mainly use to make the mayonnaise. Also, it calls for lemon juice, okay? I was gonna go ahead and squeeze a lemon, but I said, why do that? You know, I got lemon juice that I got from Trader Joe's, okay? And it's 100% organic, okay? Sicilian, okay, Italian, okay, all right. And then we need some yellow mustard. I got this mustard, and then we also need some grapeseed oil, okay. And the measurements will be placed here on the screen, all right. So we are going to get started. Aquafaba juice in our blender, okay. Okay, and then we are also going to put about 1 tablespoon of the garbanzo beans, honey. So we're gonna take a tablespoon of the garbanzo beans, and we're gonna just put it in a blender, right? And we're gonna blend this one up. Matter of fact, I think we could add the other stuff. So the guy who I seen the recipe from, he said do the juice first, the aquafaba juice first, and then do, you know, the rest of the ingredients. But I think we could add all of it in together. All right, so is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the mustard that we have on hand. All right, then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. All right. One of the things that you will notice when you start adding in the oil, grapeseed oil, or you could use canola oil. Me personally, I do grapeseed oil and avocado oil. Okay, you would hear the consistency of the blender change. Okay, that's how you know the thicker it is getting, and I highly, highly recommend you follow the measurements, because if you don't and you just say, I'm just gonna eye it, honey, you will see that you will need more and more and more grapeseed oil, because I said, I'm gonna just eye it, okay? And then the consistency was like this, like water, okay? So then what I needed to do was to add more oil to the consistency. I also added some vinegar just to give it that like okay. And then as I added more oil to the recipe, Okay, you see it started getting thick. This smells and tastes just like mayo. Okay, whether it's vegan, it smells just like regular mayo and tastes like mayo, regular mayo. And I was saying it tastes like vegan mayonnaise and stuff like that, but if you notice, vegan mayonnaise, it tastes like regular mayo. Okay, and then I did add in some sea salt in here. Okay, and it came out really, really good. I did add in a little more grapeseed oil even after this, okay, just to give it that like really, really thick consistency. Okay, so I hope you guys tried this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried this recipe. This was like a hit. You know, you try some recipes, it's a hit or miss, but this definitely was a hit.